Most fleets have a big opportunity to use breakdown data to improve preventive maintenance, which can save time and money.
There is no shortage of data for any fleet. I think the real question is how do you actually get to use it, right? And so I think for us and for most of the fleets out there, there's a whole host of metrics that various folks subscribe to. One is, breakdowns between PMs is a pretty common one that folks look at. I think the most immediate opportunity that some people may have um, opportunity in is actually using breakdown data to improve your PMs, right? So it's one thing to be really stringent about doing the PM and making sure you're always doing it and staying on top of it, which is, that's a huge first step. But if that PM is never changing, then you probably have more opportunity because look, you're getting new equipment, or you may be moving into new markets, or maybe you're trying out a new tire, or any of these variables that could create the need to also update your PM process as well. And I think sometimes because it's so hard to roll out a PM process and make sure everybody's using it, the idea of updating it can feel daunting at times. But when done well, that can also really help you prevent breakdowns.